when I'm writing on Chromebooks, it auto-corrects way less because I just get them right.
For tutoring, sometimes I would be a bit behind with work I needed to do and it would be a bit stressful.
I found it a little hard to keep up because the teacher's also trying to help all these other people.
I first wanted my kids to have tutoring because I felt like it would give them just that little bit of extra support.
Having a tutor come in and really work with them to see if they could expand in certain areas or have a little bit more dedicated time, that's what I was really after.
The 18 Way is unique because it goes beyond just academics. It goes towards mindset, developing strategies to help a student with their confidence and helping students develop both academically and personally.
Talis has really grown in confidence and I think he's sort of hitting his stride in terms of his potential. He's definitely gotten better grades.
There's someone that really understands me and understands how I can learn and achieve stuff.
Being able to have that time to really have the engaged attention of one person to test ideas has been really helpful.
When I'm stuck, Claire always shows me how to do it correctly in a really nice way, and she also helps me understand the question way better, so in school I can just fly through it.
Claire is a wonderful academic personal trainer. She's committed. The kids really enjoy working with her.
She's really been able to adapt and get the most out of each kid.
It's been fantastic.
The best part of being an academic personal trainer is definitely forming relationships with the students. Really creates a great environment for the sessions.
Tutoring has helped me with not getting overwhelmed.
I'm definitely feeling way more confident, feel more calm and relaxed when I'm doing my work now.
I used to struggle with maths, but now it's actually completely fine and I don't think it's a problem for me anymore.